In this video, I'm going to teach you how to put pictures on local files in Spotify. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see, I want to add a cover art to this song on Spotify that doesn't have a custom cover art on my local files. All I have to do is use this simple to use tool called Tag Scanner. So go to xdlab.ru or search for Tag Scanner on Google and download this tool. Afterwards, make sure you download the cover art that you want to use. You can use any image as long as it's in the right .jpg format. What you have to do is click on this folder icon at the top left corner of the screen with the plus sign, and you can select the folder that contains your MP3 files or songs. Now, for each individual song, you can click on its title, and through this right-sided menu, you should see the Embedded Covers option. You can just click this square and then just select any cover art you want to use. Like I mentioned, try to use .jpg covers as they seem to be the best and you won't run into any issues using them. After you open them, just click the Save button at the bottom of the page to add the cover to the song. As you can see, it's going to have a colored image icon at the left side of the title. After you add a cover art, you may now reload your local files and you should see the song now has a cover art. If I start playing it, you can see it through the left side. I hope I was able to help you on how to put pictures on local files in Spotify. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.